Detailed descriptions. Ha Long Bay. Ha Long Bay is a mesmerizing seascape in northern Vietnam. The bay features nearly 2,000 limestone islands and islets, each topped with dense jungle vegetation. These karst formations create a dramatic seascape that has inspired countless legends and stories. One of the best ways to experience Ha Long Bay is by taking a cruise. Cruises range from day trips to multi-day excursions, offering activities such as kayaking, swimming, and cave exploration. Some of the notable caves include Sung Sat, Surprise Cave, and Thien Kung, Heavenly Palace Cave. The floating fishing villages, like Hoi An, provide a unique glimpse into the local way of life. Hanoi. Hanoi, the capital city of Vietnam, is a vibrant blend of East and West, with centuries-old architecture and a rich cultural heritage. The city's old quarter is a bustling maze of narrow streets, each historically dedicated to a specific trade. Key landmarks include the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, a monumental marble edifice housing the remains of the revered leader, and the Temple of Literature, Vietnam's first university dating back to 1070. The Hoan Kiem Lake, located in the heart of the city, is a peaceful retreat surrounded by legends and home to the iconic Turtle Tower. The city's culinary scene is another highlight, with street food tours offering a taste of local specialties like pho, banh mi, and egg coffee. Sapa. Located in the northern region of Vietnam, Sapa is known for its rugged scenery and cultural diversity. The town serves as a base for trekking in the Hoang Linh Sun Mountains, including visits to the famous terraced rice fields and remote villages inhabited by ethnic minorities such as the Hmong, Dao, and Tay. Phan Saipan, the highest peak in Vietnam and Indochina, attracts climbers and adventure seekers. The Sapa market is a vibrant place to experience local culture and buy handcrafted goods. The terraced fields are particularly stunning during the harvest season, providing excellent photo opportunities. Hoi An. Hoi An is an exceptionally well-preserved example of a Southeast Asian trading port from the 15th to the 19th century. The town is famous for its beautiful architecture, pedestrian-friendly streets, and a unique blend of local and foreign influences. The Japanese covered bridge, a symbol of Hoi An, dates back to the 18th century and is a fine example of Japanese architecture. Hoi An is also known for its tailor shops, where visitors can get custom-made clothing at reasonable prices. The town's lantern-lit evenings, especially during the monthly Lantern Festival, create a magical ambiance. Ho Chi Minh City, Saigon. Ho Chi Minh City, or Saigon, is the largest city in Vietnam and a bustling urban center. The city offers a blend of modern skyscrapers, colonial buildings, and historical sites. The War Remnants Museum provides a poignant look at the Vietnam War from the Vietnamese perspective. The Reunification Palace, formerly the Presidential Palace, played a key role in the fall of Saigon in 1975. For a taste of local life, visit the Ben Ton Market, which offers everything from fresh produce to souvenirs. The city's vibrant nightlife includes rooftop bars, clubs, and the lively Bui Vien Street. Hue. Hue, located in central Vietnam, was the imperial capital of the Nguyen dynasty from 1802 to 1945. The city's most significant landmark is the Imperial City, a vast complex of palaces, temples, walls, and gates modeled after the Forbidden City in Beijing. The Perfume River, which flows through the city, adds to its charm and offers scenic boat rides. Hue is also home to several royal tombs, including those of Emperor Tu Duc, Min Meng, and Kai Din, each reflecting unique architectural styles. The local cuisine is renowned for its refined and artistic presentation, with dishes like Bun Bo Hui, Bon Bio, and Com Hen. Phong Nha Bang National Park. Phong Nha Bang National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site in central Vietnam, known for its impressive karst landscapes and extensive cave systems. The park's highlight is the Sun Dong Cave, the largest cave in the world, which boasts its own ecosystem and river. Other notable caves include Phong Nha Cave, accessible by boat, and Paradise Cave, which stretches for 31 kilometers. The park also offers opportunities for trekking, wildlife spotting, and exploring underground rivers. The lush jungle and biodiversity make it a haven for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts. Mekong Delta. The Mekong Delta is a vast region in southwestern Vietnam where the Mekong River approaches and empties into the sea. Known for its fertile soil and abundant waterways, the delta is a major agricultural hub, particularly for rice and fruit cultivation. Visitors can explore the delta's intricate network of canals by boat, visit floating markets such as Kai Rang and Kai Bi, and experience the local lifestyle. The delta is also home to traditional villages, where you can see handicrafts being made and taste fresh tropical fruits. The tranquil scenery and the warm hospitality of the locals make the Mekong Delta a unique and memorable destination. Nha Trang. Nha Trang is a coastal city renowned for its beautiful beaches, clear waters, and lively atmosphere. The city is a popular destination for both local and international tourists, offering a range of water activities such as snorkeling, diving, and sailing. The Vin Pearl Land Amusement Park, located on an island off the coast, features a water park, aquarium, and various entertainment options. Cultural attractions in Nha Trang include the Long Sun Pagoda, with its giant white Buddha statue, and the ancient Po Nagar Chom Towers, which date back to the 7th century. The city's nightlife is vibrant, with numerous bars, clubs, and restaurants along the beachfront. Phu Quoc Island. Phu Quoc Island is Vietnam's largest island, located in the Gulf of Thailand. Known for its white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and lush tropical forests, the island is a paradise for beach lovers and nature enthusiasts. Popular activities include snorkeling, diving, and exploring the Phu Quoc National Park, which is home to diverse flora and fauna. The island's Din Khao night market offers a variety of fresh seafood and local delicacies, while the traditional fish sauce factories provide a unique insight into one of Vietnam's famous exports. Phu Quoc's relaxed atmosphere and stunning natural beauty make it an ideal destination for a tranquil getaway. Outro. Vietnam's diverse landscapes and rich cultural heritage make it a compelling destination for travelers from all over the world. Whether you're exploring the ancient streets of Hoi An, cruising through the breathtaking Ha Long Bay, or relaxing on the pristine beaches of Phu Quoc Island, each destination offers its own unique experiences and memories. Plan your journey through these top 10 places to visit in Vietnam and immerse yourself in the beauty, history, and culture of this remarkable country. Your adventure awaits, promising unforgettable moments and a deeper appreciation for Vietnam's charm and allure. If you want to keep up with all the latest updates, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel.